You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation if you want to learn more. Confusing names of famous hockey players that from the NHL that are confusing. Stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. Filip is Czech originally. Filip Chytil. Chytil. If you cannot pronounce this h sound, you can just replace it with an H sound, so ignore the C at the beginning, I would say. It's going to be not perfect, but Filip Chytil. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.